Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be going out on a cruise, and then we're going to be checking out some Rocky Mountain Race Week stuff. All right, this is, I think, the next to last day, and they're going to be racing at the Pueblo Motorsports Park. So, you know, hopefully some people will be turning their cars up at this point. We didn't get to go to the first Bandamere race, so today we're just going through the car wash real quick. We're going to go on like a 3-hour like mountain cruise today with Colorado Dodge Challenger Club. An hour into our drive so far through the mountains. I mean, the views are just awesome. And we're going for close to a 3-hour drive. Downshift. This is sketch, bro. This is probably one of the sketchiest things I think I've ever done in my life. This is crazy. To say, this is a pretty sketchy drive. Well, look at the views. What's up, guys? So we finally made it to Pueblo Motorsports Park. We are parked, and I guess we're just gonna go check out some cars of what's already here, and hopefully some more people roll in. I mean, most of the people might already be here. We're gonna go check it out, sit in the stands, and it looks like a lot of people are just kind of waiting for the temperature to go down because it is 95 degrees outside. So gotta walk over here and talk to you guys for a minute. But yeah, we're gonna check out the around seat for sure, because Kyle's got a spot like literally right at the end of the lane there. But again, there's a giant speaker playing some freaking music, so I'm sure it's kind of hard for even him to vlog right now. But we're gonna check it out.
do a little bit of track prep. That'll give me a second to thank all the sponsors. Again, 1320 Video, our title sponsor. Go check out their website, 1320video.com. They've got all those awesome 1320 shirts and hats, and you can get yourself an awesome sticker. And they even got stickers with your state flag in the background. I know they've got a Colorado one. I have one. They got a U.S. flag logo. Check out stickers. He's got all this stuff.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Also, this organized run, they're a club class team up in Bandera.
Alright, looks like Booster Boys had some problems. Jamie and the Kurz made a good pass. No problems. Everything is good to go on his car. Sorry if it's a little bit windy. And looks like Cletus is going to be going back to street mode. Ruby blew an axle, so they're replacing that. And I think we're going to get out of here for the night. Been on the road 4 hours. I mean, I can't even imagine how these guys feel. They've been driving for a week and racing. So we gotta go home and get some dinner. Sit down, drink a freaking beer. All good to go. Little puppy dog. Little puppy dog. Yeah, so I think we're gonna get out of here, kind of beat the rush. And, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoyed coming out here, checking out some of these cars, seeing some guys race that we've, seen in the past, LS Fest and stuff like that, especially Cletus and them. Looks like they're probably going to take at least one win, probably two, but we'll have to check out their videos for that, because we're not going to be able to make it to Bandamere tomorrow, because, well, I mean, I could, but I don't think that's going to happen. So we're just going to get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notifications so you can catch the next video. We got some awesome stuff coming up. If you guys are a follower of the channel, then y'all see. If not, subscribe so you can see. We'll see you guys later.